Hey guys, it's Ria and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about beginner flexibility routine, and it's a beginner routine. If you don't consider yourself to be flexible enough, you can follow this routine, and also anyone can follow this one. So let's get started. We'll sit in a crisscross and do it 5 deep breaths, reaching up, inhale, and then down as you exhale. So we'll repeat it 4 more times. Now we are going to take your right leg and place your ankle over top of your left knee and just push down over top of your left knee. And when you push down, you should be feeling already a stretch in your hips. Now switch to the other leg and repeat it again. Now we'll do some neck stretches by just looking up. Now look down. Look to the right. Look to your left. Tilt your head to the right. Now to the left. And we are going to do 3 neck circles. Now stay in butterfly stretch. Push down on your legs to feel even deeper stretch in your hips. You should try to push down as close to the ground so as you can. And now we are going to straighten out your right leg and take your left foot so that it's touching inside of your leg. Now flex your right foot and we are going to reach sideways over top of your leg as far as you can. So if you don't feel like stretching, you can reach all the way down and try to touch it, but most beginner probably be somewhere around here. Now rotate your hips to reach top of your leg again. Make sure keep the right foot flexed. You can now point this right foot and try to sink even deeper into your stretch. So try to push your chest even closer to your right leg. Now come up onto your knees. We are going to stretch our back by contracting and trying to reach back to grab onto our ankle and repeat it for 5 times. Now go into a pigeon stretch. So we're gonna be here for like 10 more seconds. Now switch to other leg. In this you're gonna be feeling deep stretch in your legs. Now we are going to reach it left arm under the right one to stretch your shoulder. Now switch to the right arm and repeat the same. Now let's do a heel stretch. We're going to up onto our hands and knees into a contracted position and back down into heel stretch. Now come on your stomach and bend one leg as far as you can. In this you feel really good stretch in your back. Now switch side and repeat the same. Now we'll go into a child's pose. Now we're going to do a downward dog. In this we're going to bend each leg 5 times. Now let's get enter into a lunge and hold it for 10 seconds. Now we're going to bend the back and straighten the front leg. You will feel the deeper stretch in your hips. Now we'll move sideways, just bend one leg at a time, and we'll repeat it for like 5 times. Now come up to the middle forward bend, try to lower your head as close to the ground, and that's it for this routine. Hope you all got good full body stretch. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel.